I'm Archna. I'm joining the industry after a gap of around 18 years, full-time career. In between, I have done some baking, crafting, lot of activities which were not related to my main career. I was basically taking care of my children, full-time homemaker. But yes, there was always a feeling that something is incomplete. I always felt that I can do more than what I'm doing right now. So that feeling has been like constant with me for many years. So that feeling led me to the search for a proper job or search for a proper career counseling. Being a crafter and being a chocolatier and baker, I understand the tool of the trades. So I have been trying to look for the career, but I didn't know how to do it. You people have helped me in understanding what I'm capable of doing, what are the right choices for me, what are my plus points, in which areas I won't be good. So these things help you a lot in deciding about your future course of action. So yes, I got a very clear understanding of that how to proceed further. The reports and the discussion with Dr. Rathi was very insightful, and I thoroughly enjoyed that time discussing with him, telling him about myself, and delving the various options. So far, it has been a great experience. I found the team to be very dedicated and hardworking. And you guys are making an impact, real impact in people's life. You are bringing positive changes. You are giving them direction. You are giving them a hope for a better future, which earlier means it's not easy to find. So yes, congratulations to teams at my career and all the very best from my side.